Now, if you've ever wanted to know what being persistent looks like, look at this, my friend. Look at this on my screen right now. This lady followed the same blueprint that I'm actually willing to email to you by giving this video a like. Secondly, commenting the word ready, and I'll email the same step-by-step blueprint to you. She built herself a business online. For 1 year straight, she had no sale. And then within 2 months, she made over 66,000 South African rands. It's a South African lady, by the way. That is what you call being persistent. She never gave up. And when my new students start, I tell them, do this for 3 months straight. And when you don't have any success, let me know, and I'll jump on a personal live call with you. I'll look at your entire business, see what it is that you're doing. Are you following this same step-by-step blueprint? Are you doing what you need to do? And if you're still not having the success, then I'll guide you and I'll show you what you need to do next. And this lady never gave up. 1 year later, I want to congratulate her, because I think that is life-changing. Now, if you guys want access to this blueprint, the same step-by-step business that we are following to build an income online, to make money online, give this video a like, comment the word ready, and let me email this blueprint to you.